Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is going to be my very first video. What will be in this video? Well, it's my introduction. Who is behind the Naturally Told by Mara? Well, my real name is Shamara, hence where the Mara comes from, and the Naturally Told by is because, well, for this channel I intend on being authentically myself. Yeah, so I'm gonna be me. I always wanted to start this channel from about 2016 when I started to go natural, and instead of starting the channel I went ahead and started an Instagram page. So I'll put the name down below so you can go over to Instagram and follow your girl. Yeah. Why will I be doing videos? Well, I wanted to use this video to express myself. Beauty will be about my hair, makeup, skincare, the whole works, beauty stuff. And faith will be about my relationship with God. I'll be sharing testimonies with the things that happen throughout my life that shows that God is around, and things that help to build my relationship with Him. And then love. Love is about everything. I love food, friends, family, everything and anything, traveling. Once it comes to me, I'm gonna make a video. So, where am I from? I'm from that beautiful island in the Caribbean called Jamaica. Yeah, me and Yadi. So from time to time you'll hear me switch between standard English and the Jamaican dialects, patois. Just so it happens. You can't stop it. Can't control it. So as I go on this journey, I hope you guys will like and subscribe to my channel. Share below what you'd like to see or what you like to hear from me. And support me. Support me, ma'am. I know you want to support me. So until next time, guys. Bye.